Ever wonder how a gorilla that eats only plants can be so incredibly strong? Gorillas are strict vegetarians. Their diet is just fruits, leaves, and stems. Yet one swing from a gorilla could easily break a bone. Surprisingly, they're actually peaceful animals. They avoid fighting whenever they can. But if they feel threatened, especially if their family is in danger, they become unstoppable. And just like humans, gorillas laugh, grieve, and use complex body language to communicate. Strength doesn't always mean aggression. Sometimes the calmest creatures are the most powerful.